Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube should notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press the subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath in that same area, there is a thumbs up. If you're enjoying the content of a creator, when you come in, take a second to hit that thumbs up right at the beginning. So this way it's done, and I appreciate that you do that because it's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So I'm thanking you again for that thumbs up. Today, I am so excited. I finally got my bag with my IPSY Glam bag, as well as all the add-ons, but there were some issues with the add-ons, so I'm going to do that in a separate video because I've got to contact IPSY and we'll take it from there. But this, I'm really excited, came in because this is late in the month, and I just wanted to go through this and get everything because it was sitting with all my add-ons in it. So this is the bag that we get in the $12 a month box. This bag, it's really a bag, is where everything started with me with IPSY, and it's where I always suggest that everyone starts with IPSY as well. It's 5 deluxe sample size. Sometimes I'll throw in a full size in here, but you always get the bag, and then you have access to everything else IPSY, like the add-ons, the flash sale, the pop-up sales, the shopper, everything that IPSY has to offer. So want to go through everything with you guys. The one thing that I noticed when other girls were opening this, which I didn't even notice when my PR package came at the beginning of the month, this one, that the zipper on it had that beautiful rainbow effect. I didn't even notice that. So if you got this and you didn't notice that either, that is a really beautiful, the bag is fantastic to begin with, but that I thought was a really nice added feature. This bag, like I said, is not part of the count of the 5 items. This is something that IPSY does for us. It's fully lined. It has the IPSY tag. I love getting these bags, so that's really special for me. On my channel, I open up everything prior to sitting down, and I take notes so that I know what I'm supposed to get, and then I'm able to share with you, because a lot of times the products are new items to me, so I want to be able to share that information not only with myself, so I share it with you guys as well. The first item is my choice item, and this one I was so excited to get. It is from Context. Context is a brand that I got introduced to from IPSY in the add-on section with their lipsticks, which I fell in love with so much. These are like $20 value. The lipsticks were anyways. I'm not sure what the value is of this, but this is an expensive line, and we're getting the full sizes, like in the $3 section or in the IPSY Glam bag. So this one is in a color that is called All or Nothing. This is what it looks like here, and we'll do a swatch in just a sec, but let's read about this first. It's the Context Skin, and like I said, this was my choice item. Anything Context, Context Skin is what the actual name of the company is. Like I said, I was so impressed with their lipsticks that every time I saw them, I bought another color. And the fact that this was a choice item, it was like no choice for me. I had to grab it. This is called the Nude Balm in All or Nothing. This is the full size. This is a $20 value. Then they're saying this is the Hydrate, Heal, and Tint Your Lips all-in-one quick swipe. With this nourishing lip balm, it's infused with vitamin C and E and plant extracts like watermelon and rose to provide long-lasting moisture without feeling sticky or tacky. And then it says this is a sheer neutral that can be worn for work, weekend, or everything in between. And about the brand, they said if you love clean beauty, then you will love Context Skin and their line of skincare products. It's derived from natural ingredients. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one swipe so that we see the sheer coverage, and then I'm going to do above it a few swipes over, because that's how I wear all my lipsticks. So that is the one swipe over here, and then that's how I would wear it over here, and it is exactly what I wanted it to be. So don't be afraid if you see the color is really dark. This is a balm, so that means it's a sheerer consistency in the actual product. So really excited to get that, and this is everything and more of what I wanted. The next item in here was one that you only get to choose one in the Glam bag. And this one was chosen for me, and it's called Glow on Fifth Beauty. And it's saying it is a Rose Gua Sha. And this is, I'm a little confused with this one because I own other of this tool, and usually it's made out of jade or rose gold. and they're saying it is rose, but to me this feels like plastic. And the Glow on Fifth, I've had an opportunity to try some of their other products, which I really enjoyed. So I'm a little confused with this. Also, when I do these notes, sometimes on IPSY, they have a discount code for if you enjoy the product, you can buy it, you know, in future from the website. I will leave those discount codes as well underneath in the description box. They're saying this is also full size and it's a $12. They're saying it's a facial tool. They say it's inspired by. So that's pretty much tells you that it's, to me, this feels like plastic. Inspired by ancient Chinese medicine, this is a facial massage tool that helps flush out lymphatic drainage systems to increase your blood flow and circulation, both of which are essential for radiant, vibrant skin. Then it tells you how to use it. You use it gently, push the tool upward motion across your face, focus on the areas for 1 minute or so. If the skin appears red or flushed, then it is working. They're saying this is vegan and cruelty free. And the Glow on Fifth, they're saying is 100% clean and cruelty free skincare line that's designed with every skin type and concern in mind. So this I'm not overly excited about, but I'm really surprised that they would send something plastic. But $12. All right, the next item in here is a brand that I do know and I do enjoy, and this one is called Sunday Brunch. And this one, I think I got the full palette in a different box. This one is called Lush Eye and it's in cinnamon roll. I also have a discount code for this for I think up to 25%. This they're saying is the deluxe sample size, and I love when the deluxe sample sizes come in these cute little boxes because they're nice when you put them in giveaways or gifts for friends. I just think it's great. And this is what's inside here. And this one says it's an eyeshadow, so it says it's a highly pigmented and ultra creamy. This is a shimmery metallic copper eyeshadow that is made with blendable powder pigments that won't create any fallout thanks to the moisturizing vitamin E and rosehip seed oil. You can use your favorite shadow brush or your fingers to apply it to your lids. It's also vegan and cruelty free. And they're saying IBYBeauty uses the high quality ingredients to create color products that allow you to express your personality. I'm not going to swatch this because, like I said, I have it, I think, in the full size, but I'm going to open it up so at least I can show you guys what the color looks like. And the IBY products are just beautiful. And I always tell you guys, these little sample sizes are absolutely fantastic. They last a really long time. I've never hit pan on these sample sizes even. So they're fantastic if you want to go traveling, but they're also fantastic little, you know, gifts. So really happy to get that. The next item in here is one that I've received before. So this is also going to be going, I did find mine, so I will swatch that one, but this is what this product is here. It is called the Autobalm from the Balm Cosmetics, which is a brand that I absolutely enjoy. And this one is the blush in the color called Houston. They're saying this is a deluxe sample. It is the blush. They're saying we're always excited when a product from the Balm comes across our desk. With this matte finish blush, it has quickly become our new go-to. It is a versatile peachy pink shade that goes from work to weekend. They're saying you can dust a fluffy blush brush into the blush, then swirl it onto your cheeks and add more if you need. It's a long lasting that blends well with no streaks and totally buildable. And I agree with everything they're saying, especially the peachy pink. And aside from super fun packaging with illustrations to scream girl power, the Balm's known for quick fix products from makeup to skincare and hair care. They are innovative, on trend, and easy on your wallet. They're also very lightweight, so they're fantastic to take traveling. And these also last a really long time. And I'm so in love with the Balm Cosmetics for a long time. This here, let me just see what I have here, is, like I said, one that I've used, and that's what the color looks like there. I don't want to mix them up. And then this is the color here. And they go on beautifully. They're not the type that you have to like blend out. You put your brush in once, you put this on, and you get that perfect color. So pretty. And that's the one in the color called Houston. And then the last item that I received is from the Creme shop. And this is a brand that I'm not that familiar with, and it is the Complete Cleansing Rose Water and Coconut Towelettes. They're saying this is full size. So we got 3 full sizes in this box. So this one here is a $5 value, and they're saying they're cleansing wipes, and it simply says to keep these refreshing wipes within reach to cleanse and refresh your skin on the go. They're infused with a blend of rose water and coconut extracts to remove dirt, makeup, and excess oil to minimize redness and balance your skin's pH too. You could gently sweep and wipe across your skin to get a flush, get a fresh and clean in seconds. Oh my God. They're vegan, cruelty-free, and made without harsh ingredients like sulfates or alcohol. They're saying the Creme Shop is a K-beauty brand. So this Creme Shop curates exceptional ingredients from all over the world to craft high-quality beauty products at approachable price points. So this is a full size. We got the full size of, I'm not sure about this one, but this is full size. We got the full size, which is what I wanted. So this $20 item more than paid for the box. Everything else was a bonus to me. So happy to get this. This IBY is a fantastic, fantastic brand, and the product is stunning, as well as the Houston blush from the Balm. And that's everything that I received. And let's not forget the bag with that fantastic creative zipper from IPSY for the month of June. Could not wait for this bag to arrive. So happy that I'm able to share it with you guys. Please share in the comments down below if your bag also came later in the month, but also if you had the opportunity to try any of the products that I talked about. I would love you guys to share it in the comments down below, because at True Wants, we share in the comments. I share with you here, but you share with me with your words in the comments. So I appreciate that so much. And that's everything for today. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you all again in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.